We've been able to move all of our SaaS metrics into Pigment, which has saved our team a ton of hours from Excel processing time to be able to automatically calculate net retention and other key metrics for our business. So I work at Carta. I'm a senior manager on our corporate finance team. Carta is an infrastructure platform software company for startups to manage their equity and for investors of venture capital firms to manage their investments. Carta operates in over 4 countries, has just shy of 2,000 employees, and has many different products and customers. We have different products, different customers, different countries, different business units, as well as different functional leaders that we want to be able to slice and dice our data and our P&L in many different ways in order to make sure that we're making the right decisions. Previous tools did not allow us to do that. They essentially forced us to pick one view of the P&L and continue to evaluate our company in that way. However, Pigment's mapping and list functionality allows us to cut data and have different cuts of our P&L in order to view the data in different ways and ensure that we can make the correct decisions. What first attracted us to Pigment was its ability to be dynamic, allow us to view data in different ways. My goal really in implementing a new planning tool was to get my team out of Excel and to find a tool that our team could adopt. So while working with Pigment, we've been able to move all of our SaaS metrics into Pigment, which has saved our team a ton of hours from Excel processing time to be able to automatically calculate net retention and other key metrics for our business. We're reevaluating Carta's priorities and ensuring that all of our resources are dedicated to our top priorities that we believe are important to Carta. Pigment allowed us to map our employees and resources to those priorities to ensure that our resource allocation is correct for the priorities of Carta. I think my favorite feature at Pigment is the ability to just configure data in any way possible. Having one set of data that our CFO, our VP, or even our CEO can toggle and view in any different way is really important to us given the number of dimensions that we tend to look at our business with. Dynamic, powerful, and visual.